This is the elevator at 1760 Bell Tower Lane, Weston Town Center in Weston, Florida.
I like to walk around here.
Yeah, it is, but first of all, here's my friend Andre.
Hello.
This is a Dover Impulse.
I got a feeling it's gonna be the same elevator.
Yeah,
But how come? How come you want to go to the same elevator?
they're different.
It's
Go up to
the
2?
it's the same model,
I know.
but it's different
I know,
interior.
I know, but that's why. Watch the indicator on the way up. 2,100 pound capacity. Here at 2. Go back on to 1.
Alright.
Here's a cab view. Pretty small elevator. Watch the button on the way up. Here at 1, and that's it.